Now I know that I had said that I wasn't going to show too much more on the El Grande, but I just turned this one down, like this, and I did want to show you that I do use something else other than the scraper. I do know how to use the gouge, and when I do it like this, I never get a catch. And I can hold it at the optimum angle. Yeah, I'll show you. Now what I've done is I've got the gouge set at an angle, so it is neither scraping nor gouging, it is slicing. It is taking little tiny micro slices off here as it moves along. If I was to try this by hand, it would naturally catch. But of course this kind of lathe, clamped in like this, it won't catch. Yeah, so I know how to use the gouge. Now I'll be the first to admit this is much, much slower. We're almost at the point now where we have it perfectly round. A little bit of a flat side right here. I think probably by the time I make another pass, it'll be perfectly round. Then I'll take it to the other lathe to sort of gently round it over with sandpaper. Yeah, give it one more pass here. Very carefully.